Okay, let's keep it real. If someone had told me a simple 200 rupees habit can change my entire financial life, I would have laughed, but looking back, that tiny daily decision was the start of everything a year ago. I was stuck in this cycle, paycheck to paycheck. No savings and absolutely no clue where my money went. And that's when I challenged myself, what if I saved just 200 rupees every single day? Not 200 rupees less, 200 rupees more. The key here is I wasn't earning more, I was spending less. So I could save more. It's not about the amount, it's about the discipline. I started tracking my expenses and cutting back on things I didn't really need. An unnecessary cab ride here, daily snacks from the corner shop, random online impulse buys, things that I knew I could live without. Then I would transfer 200 rupees into a separate account. Every single day, religiously, and at first, it felt pointless. I mean, what could 200 rupees do? But then after a month, I saw 6,000 rupees. In 6 months, I had 36,000 rupees. And that, my friends, was a game changer. With that money, I did 3 things. First, I invested some of it in a short-term debt fund. It's not much, but it's a start. Second, I used it to buy tools for a side hustle that I wanted to start. And third, I paid off a credit card bill that was haunting me, more than the money. It was the mindset that changed. I started respecting every single rupee. I became more aware of my spending habits and I started making smarter choices overall. I also started reading more about personal finance and investing, which helped me make even smarter choices. And look, I'm not some financial expert. I'm just a person who decided to make a small change to 100 rupees a day. If I can do it, so can you. It doesn't matter if you think you're bad with money or if you've never invested in your life. All you need is discipline and a good plan. And remember, it's not about the amount. It's about the consistency. 200 rupees a day changed my life. It can change yours too. So what are you waiting for? Start today and watch your future self thank you. Now, excuse me while I go and make a cup of tea.